Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's enjoy a rainy day with me at home. Summer rain in Saigon always makes me just want to stay indoor and slow down. I really love spending my weekends doing chores, tending my plants, and then absolutely doing nothing. The indoor plants I grow aren't exactly lush or blooming, but they do add a touch of green to my room. Every weekend, watering them and changing their water is a monthly task. I actually got the plants from my office and repurposed all plastic bottles and cups to grow them like this. The investment cost was zero, but the emotional value in spring is priceless. The place I'm living in is just a rented studio, so I don't try to fill it up with a lot of furniture. Instead, I just focus on bringing it to life by arranging the green plants around the room. Come to think of it, it's quite fascinating. With just water, the plant can stay so vibrant and green. Meanwhile, humans eat all kinds of things alongside drinking water. Yes, we struggle to maintain that same fresh, vibrant energy every single day. Maybe it's because plants don't have to deal with the daily pressure like we do. By the way, let me show up my nails from last weekend. It's simple, but I absolutely love it. I went with a nude color and topped it with a chrome finish. It completely elevates how my hands look. I really enjoy getting my nails done. Have some color in my hand and just brighten my mood. On a rainy day, what could be more romantic than having a small vase of tiny purple flowers in a house? The bouquet I bought doesn't have many flowers, but overall it looks incredibly cute. Placing it right by my bedside brings so much light to the space. Every day when I get home from work, seeing this vase instantly makes all my tiredness melt away. And that's my video for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!